everyone, you're welcome in my YouTube channel. So once again here I am with you about English language. So how can you learn this language? So everything I want to tell you in this video. So please keep continue in my video. So everything I'm going to tell you in this video, how can you become a good speaker in English. So listen carefully. So I learned this language after speaking. Every day I used to speak a lot. I mean that 2-3 hours, some days 5, 6, 7, 8 hours I used to speak because I knew that if I speak then I can speak this language. So that's why I continue English speaking. Then after I did listening, whatever I was listening, that thing I was applying. I mean that I was speaking that thing. So in these days I'm able to speak because I have done lots of work. I have started learning this language. So last 13 years. In 13 years I have been practicing English because I wanted to speak English very fluent way. That's why it took a long time to become a good speaker in English. In this time I'm able to speak because of speaking and listening practice I do every day. That's right. So hello guys, if you want to learn this language then you have to listen, then you have to speak. You know, any children learns any kinds of language, how first listen, then that children reply. So this thing you have to do, so definitely you can able to speak English. Anyone can able to speak this language if you make self environment. Then so you have to do everyday speaking practice, whatever your mind comes. So you have to try to speak and you listen. Definitely you can speak this language. It's not so hard if you do listening and speaking practice. So definitely you can speak English very fluent way as I'm speaking now. So to become a fluent is it will take a long time. Maybe any person can take 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. So it depends on your time, your practice. If you practice every day, so you know I have been practicing this language so long time. I mean that I have lots of I have done lots of practice. That's why in this time I'm able to speak English in fluent way. Before time my English is not so good. So I can remember that 2-3 months before I was not able to speak in front of camera. In this time I'm able to speak because you know first time I was taking lots of time to anything I was recording one sentence, so it was taking long time. So in this time I'm not taking long time. Whatever is mind is going on, so suddenly I speak. In this time mind has captured many things. So in this time I have also a habit of speaking. That's why it is not taking long time to speak anything, and suddenly mind comes. So in this time my fluency is good. After a very long time, after I was waiting my fluency, so in this time I have got my fluency. That's why nowadays I speak very well. So 1 month before my English was not so good. So in this time I'm able to speak so fluent because I do speaking practice every day a lot. That's why in this time, if you want to become a good English speaker, so you have to listen carefully. Only good listener can become a good speaker. So in nowadays I listen more. I mean that 5-6 hours, some day 2-3 hours I listen. I do listening practice. That's why